So far, we learned what is a component and why it's called function component, because it's a function, how to create a constant and use it within JSX, and how to create a state variable, so a variable that should change over time within the React ecosystem, and how to update it, and the fact that we can conditionally do something because it's JavaScript after all. Let's code some pizza. JavaScript is a language. Don't be scared of JavaScript. JavaScript is very flexible. JavaScript is your friend. It's not magic. Don't be scared of JavaScript. A bit complicated. Quite a bit complicated. Next time we'll start making it a bit prettier. And now it's time to make some pizza. The interesting thing about React and about the way that most interviews are structured and most of the things that we do in life as well is with the knowledge that we have so far, we can already do nice things. Of course, we will add more knowledge over time. So I would say for now, we will see the type of problem that a junior to mid face. Why junior to mid? Because I still expect you to know JavaScript. So if during this exercise you have any doubt, probably you are missing some piece of knowledge, and I will leave in the description a link to the specific topic. So if something is unclear to you, my suggestion is stop with the exercise and have a look at the concept underneath. I might mention the concept, but you have to look at them yourself. All the exercises that I will do, I will keep them in the same project. I will just create subfolders or subpage since we are in Next. And to do that, we simply create a folder. I create directly a file because it's a bit faster. You create file and folder together. So exercises / pizza order / page to tsx. So if you call the file page.tsx, this one will become the URL. I will show you in a moment. So I create my file. I need the classic default for React. Now, my suggestion is you can always copy it from another one. So export default function home, and I close it here. Now, let's return a div that says this is the pizza order page. Let's see if it works. Localhost / exercises / pizza order. This is the pizza order page. Now, if you were attentive, you noticed that I left home here. So why does it work? It works because this one is an export default, which means that this page is imported as the default page. And that's what Next expect. They expect the default export to be my page. Does it mean that it doesn't matter what I put here? No, it does matter. And it does matter a lot, once, because if you read home, you might not understand, and two, because if it's true that Next will import the default, it's also true that if I want to use this inside another page, maybe I want to import other things and default, I don't know. My suggestion is keep it in sync. Even if it works anyway, it might be better to keep it in sync. And beginning uppercase, and then it doesn't matter. So pizza order, refresh, everything works. So let's close it now and let's code some pizza.